loves, welcome to my channel. I'm back with a brand new nail tutorial. I really like how this set came out. I think the color scheme that I ended up doing is so pretty. Before we jump into the video, I want to thank you loves for leaving me such sweet comments under my previous nail tutorials. With that being said, let's get right into the video. The first polish I used is by the brand Pure Ice, and it's in the shade Wide Awake. It's a really pretty aqua blue glitter polish. I applied it to my thumb and pinky nails. I did lose the clip of me applying it, but all I did was stamp it on using a Cosmetic wedge. For my index and ring fingernails, I used this pink neon nail polish that I got in a set from Dollar Tree. And originally I had a completely different idea for how I wanted to do my nails. But since I always do my right hand off camera, I found out that the green nail polish in this set sucks. While the pink nail polish only takes 2 layers, I just had to work way too hard with the green and I still wasn't satisfied with the end result. What I can say about both of these polishes is that they are very bright, they are neon, and they dry down very fast. And for my accent nail on my middle finger, I use the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish in 409 Alive. It's a metallic silver. After my nails have thoroughly dried, I just went over them with a very thin layer of the Townley Girl top coat. For my designs, I'll be using 6 different types of nail gems. The first 2 being the pink squares and the blue diamonds in my Townley Girl nail art wheel. I will also be using the light blue and hot pink round nail gems in this $1 beauty supply store nail art wheel. And lastly, I will be using the Cousin D.I.Y AB crystals in the sizes 10 and 20. Loves, I want to start off by saying if you hear any noise in the background, it is actually pouring down pretty hard right now, but I wanted to go ahead and get this voiceover done. This design was it was actually the most complicated out of this set. It required the most gems, specifically a lot of tiny gems, and some of them did end up crooked, but in this next clip you're about to see, I did go ahead and straighten them out and you will see the completed nail. To make my hands nice and soft again, I moisturized with the Simple Pleasures Vanilla Cranberry Hand Cream. It is a thick moisturizing cream with a sweet vanilla cranberry scent. And to alleviate the dryness around my cuticles, I use the Ruby Kisses Tea Tree Oil Cuticle Care. Now that my hands and cuticles are all moisturized, my manicure is complete. I absolutely love how this set came out. I think the color scheme is so pretty. All of the products used will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye loves!